And time now for our bite of the week. It comes from a mother who is demanding justice for her son after he was injured in an attack by bullies from his school. Here's our bite of the week.
I am disappointed because I cannot understand how it is that you committed attempted murder against my child and you are permitted to go back to school before he has recovered. I just cannot understand that part of the system. According to the principal, that is the protocol. So I'm not blaming her. She says that's the protocol, but I don't understand that system because how is it that you can go back to school before he has even recovered? 15 days suspension is just not good enough.